Welcome this video. Long pouch plants outdoors idea for your patio. A patio is more one of the most enjoyable space in a home. It's where you're shipping your morning coffee, enjoy even relax or entertain guests. That's something even the most beautiful but patio can feel a little base or look chaptering. One of the and most effective way to elevate this outdoor space is by add long pouch plants. Not only to bring enjoy shade and textile but then also create a style and invite atmosphere without relax a full gardening. We explored create a principling idea for incorporating long pond plant into your patio design. For plant select to container style placement type and overall design geometric. Choose long pouch plants. Long pouch plants transforming and ordering patio into a lush retreat. Here when can work so well, their size add dream and style individual. Versatile pouch can be removed airing to change the layout or reference the look. Low maintenance. You can Centra dissolve water and sunlight better than plants in the growing. Provide tall plants in pouch can serve as natural screen, provide shade. It's your work with a smart ordering patio long convenient can be subsistent for a few gardening create your owner best long pouch for patio pouch. When choose plants for your plants pouch, think about your claim sun explode and how much main interest you're well to do. Tropical vibrant bird of paradise with its strike original and blend gardening. It's bring a both tropical fish, long lush level transforming you can vibrant setting. Choose the right pouch. This individual this just as important as the plants. Long pouch should complement your pouch style.